Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to create the perfect French step by step using the hybrid gel nail system. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's begin. First, apply a thin layer of the base gel. Cure this layer in LED for 30 seconds. Prepare your alcohol solution, your hybrid gel brush, and we'll be using number 4 Rosy Pink from our French collection for the nail bed. Squeeze and apply the hybrid directly onto the nails and smooth the hybrid gel with the alcohol solution. Here I'm using 70% volume rubbing alcohol. Create the reverse French, and when you're done, cure this for 60 seconds in the LED light. Next, take a thin nail file to perfect the French line. Do so by filing the edges. Make sure to remove the loose dust. Here we have our white artist gel. Using a thin brush, apply the color on the edge of the French of the hybrid gel and throughout the free edge. This will create a nice strong background. Make sure to cure that layer for 30 seconds. For the tip, we will be using our French white number 2. Squeeze and apply directly onto the French tip. Using the brush and the rubbing alcohol, smooth the product into place. When you're done, make sure to cure this for 60 seconds in the LED light. When cured, we're going to apply a thin layer of the top gel to seal the sticky inhibition layer. This will make it easier for us to shape and file. Cure that layer for 60 seconds. Now it's time to shape and file the nail. Using a 100 grit nail file, you can shape the top and the sides of the nails. If you prefer to use the E-file to shape your nails, you can do so as well. Buff the entire nail smooth using a 180 grit nail file. Remove the dust and clean off the nail bed with alcohol solution. For the final touch, we're going to apply a thin layer of the T.A.P clear gel. This will also seal and shine the entire nail bed for a beautiful, flawless finish. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. For products, you can shop on our website at ShineAndDesign.com.